Today, let's talk about brake pans. For brake pans, it's very difficult to tell the difference from the formulas. As you may know that all the brake pans, all the raw materials selection and the mixing ratio, which are called formula. The formulation is the most important technical element in the production of brake pans. Any practical formulas consist of the following four basic categories: binder, friction performance modifier, reinforcing fiber, and process regulators. The proportion of the binder in the whole formulation is about 7 to 30%, and the phenolic resin is the main component of the binder. The resin in our brake pans is imported with good quality to ensure the good performance. Besides resin, the wear-resistant materials such as graphite is also very important. Graphite belongs to the friction performance modifier. Its proportion in the whole formulation is about 30 to 60%. The graphite in our brake pans are also imported. The imported raw materials have great advantages in high temperature resistance and wear resistance. So choosing brake pans, please choose them from the big factories, especially OE factories. They will make the brake pans strictly following the OE standard, and all the raw materials are with good quality. They will inspect the goods strictly, and they will test the brake pans in each important process. They have strong strength in R&D, and they will choose or design the formula according to your vehicles.